Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Mini Countryman on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off just by showing you around this car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. So we're at the passenger side of the vehicle, as you can see, in really fantastic condition. The alloy wheels and bodywork are pristine the entire way around. We're going to start off inside this boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space, along with the 3 individually folding rear seats, so that you can increase this space further should you wish to do so. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, the digital readout for the speedometer in the centre, and over on the right-hand side, the fuel gauge. Also in the centre, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 29,443. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have cruise control, speed limiter, and our stereo and phone controls as well. Over into the central screen next, we have the main display for the car. So there's a few ways you can operate this. You can see that I'm making movement on the screen right now. That is being done using this dial and the collection of buttons that surround it. So very easy to do that whilst driving, of course, but it is also touchscreen as well. So you can access all of this information from here. You can swipe through the various different screens that are available to you. And then you've got your main options over on this left-hand side. For example, your DAB, FM radio, Bluetooth audio, USB input. You can pair your phone, of course, from over here. You can access your satellite navigation, which, as you can see, is a really nice, clear, wide colour display. A really nice, easy system to use. Working our way down to the air conditioning next, you can adjust the direction of the air, the fan speed, and the temperature. You can turn your air conditioning on and off from down here. You can recirculate the air that's in the car from down here as well. We can turn off the stop and start in the vehicle. So this car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. You can turn the system off from here. You can start and stop the engine itself. So the engine is currently not running. If we push that down, you can, with your foot on the brake, start that engine up, which I'm not going to do because I'm inside the showroom at the moment. We have traction control. You can change the driving setup of the car as well. And underneath that, we have a 12-volt charging socket, USB input, 2 cup holders, and the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So in the envelope here, we have the spare key, so 2 keys in total. We have the V5 registration document showing it's a one-owner car from new, and then a printout with the service history of the vehicle, as you can see.